Understanding superheat and subcooling is key to keeping your HVAC system running smooth and avoiding costly repairs. Okay, so superheat and subcooling are all about making sure your air conditioner or heat pump is working right with the refrigerant. Superheat measures how much the refrigerant vapor heats up after it evaporates, while subcooling checks how much the refrigerant liquid cools down after it condenses. To keep things in check, you want to measure these during system commissioning when the unit is first installed, then at least once a year during routine maintenance. Also, anytime a technician adds or removes refrigerant, they should check these levels to avoid overcharging or undercharging the system. Keep a log of these readings so you can spot trends or issues before they become big problems. If the superheat is too high, it might mean not enough refrigerant, which can cause the compressor to overheat. Too low subcooling could mean a leak or improper charge, so fixing that quick saves you headaches. Just remember, these checks don't take long, but make a huge difference in energy efficiency and system lifespan. One of the biggest mistakes people make with superheat and subcooling is not checking them regularly, which leads to inefficient cooling and higher electric bills. Another common issue is misreading the temperature or pressure gauges, so make sure your tools are calibrated and you know what normal ranges look like for your system. Lastly, some folks try to adjust refrigerant charge themselves without proper training, risking damage or voiding warranties. Always get a pro for this step. Fix these by scheduling yearly professional HVAC tune-ups, learning how to read your gauges properly, or asking your technician to explain, and never messing with refrigerant on your own. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people needing quality work and grow their business without all the hassle.